All right, friends, 2004 F-150. We're gonna be replacing the U-joints on the drive shaft, okay? So what you need to take the drive shaft out is a 12 millimeter 12-point socket. See? It's just 4 bolts and it just slides right out, okay? Now, if you want, follow me. Before doing this, before getting down here, you know, and starting taking these bolts out, remember, you should put your transmission in neutral because you're gonna have to be rotating this drive shaft. Okay, let's see if we're lucky. All right, friends, see, now we got the 4 bolts out. Like I told you, it's a 12 millimeter 12 point. Okay, 12 millimeter 12 point right here. You take the 4 of them, and then this is gonna be a little bit stuck in here, so you just gotta like knock it out. You wanna hold this? There you go. All right, now we're just gonna slide it, and it's gonna come out from the transmission. Let me show you. See, here. Come here. See? It's just sliding inside the transmission right there, in the tail of the transmission. If you wanna take a look there, and while I pull it back. All right. Here it is. It looks heavy, but it's not. All right, here are the new U-joints we're going to be using. Okay, so here, as you can see, they have retainers. See, so we gotta take all those retainers out. It's got one here, one there, and it's got one every corner. Same thing here. See. This one is not that bad, but you know, as long as we have the drive shaft out, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of WD-40 all around. Okay, this side too. Get these retainers out. Sometimes it's not that easy to get them out, but what I like doing is I kind of first hit them a little bit, you know, just to loosen them. See, here it's gonna push, then the other side is gonna go through. Can you get it from this side? See? So it's got plenty of room there to come through here while we are pushing that way. Alright, friends, now, see, I want to show you, we got the new U-joint, see, in place. It's the same reverse process we used to take it out, the same way backwards, you know, instead of pushing the bearing caps out, we're going to be pushing them in with the same tool, with the U-joint tool, see right here, okay? So make sure you don't have any play, like in this position, in this way of this axis, or in that way of that axis. See, you also want to make sure that you don't tighten this too much in a way that this is going to be locked, because then you want to feel that it's really hard to move. You gotta loosen them up a little bit then. Okay, all right, that's it for this video. Once you got this all together, you know, just put it back in the car. 4 bolts, same way we took it out. All right, friends, thank you for watching this video. Please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. That's it. See you next time.